Bismillah Rahman Rahim. My name is Sarosh and I am a foundation level student at my high school life at campus Islamabad, and today I am sharing my movie review and my topic is what I learned from watching Wonder. I hope you all are doing well today. I would like to share my review of the heart-warming movie Wonder and the valuable lesson I learned from watching it. Wonder is a beautiful film based on the best-selling novel by Ardo J. Plesio. It tells the story of Agu Pullman, a young boy born with a facial difference who enters a mainstream school for the first time after years of being home-schooled. The movie follows his journey as he faces fear, bullying, friendship, and acceptance while teaching everyone around him what true kindness really means. The first and most powerful lesson I learned from this movie is never judge people by their appearance. Augie looks different from other children, but as we get to know him, we see that it is he is intelligent, funny, kid, and brave. The movie reminds us that a person's character is far more important than their physical appearance. So another important lesson is the power of kindness. One of my favorite message from the movie is that if we have the choice between being right and being kind, we should choose kindness. Small act of kindness, a small, a kind of word, or including someone who feels left out can make a huge difference in another person's life. This is a lesson we can all apply every day. The movie also taught me about courage. Augie was scared to attend school because he knew people might stare at him or treat him differently. Even so, he faced his fears and continued moving forward. His courage shows us that being brave does not mean having no fear. Another meaningful lesson is the importance of family support. Throughout the movie, Augie's parents and sisters stood by him during difficult times. Their love, encouragement, and belief in him gave him the confidence to overcome challenges. I also learned about the importance of friendship and empathy. At first, some classmates judged Augie without knowing him, but as they got to know him, many become his true friends. The movie teaches us that the real friendship is both based on trust, respect, and accepting people for how they are. It also encourages us to put ourselves in someone else's shoes because making assumptions. So overall, I found Wonder to be one of the most touching and meaningful movies I have ever watched. It teaches us that kindness is powerful, courage changes lives, true beauty comes from within, and everyone deserves respect and acceptance. These are lessons that can make our school, workplace, and communities better places for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. This is my movie review. Hope so you like it. Meet you in the next video. Pakistan Zindabad. Khuda Hafiz.